Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to create a Reddit account. Firstly, tap on Play Store. After you tap on Play Store, if you have not downloaded the app, download the app, and after you download the app, tap on Open. After you tap on Open, tap on Get Started. Now over here you can continue with Google, continue with phone number, or you can continue with email. Right now I'm going to continue with my email. Now enter your email. After you enter your email, tap on continue. After you tap on continue, you need to choose continue with Google or email me a login link instead. I'm going to tap on second. Now tap on open email app. Now over here you can see tap on login. After you tap on login, you need to wait for a second. After you wait for a second, here you create the app. Like this you can create a Reddit account. If you still have any questions, comment down below.